This is my upgrade kit for Transformers Blaster, Legacy or Earthrise. This upgrade kit adds no forearm fillers, swirling wrists and articulated fingers. I've tried to replicate as much detail of the forearm as I could from the original mold, but a lot of it gets lost due to the nature of FDM printing. You do need to cut the tab off the back of the thigh, but it's a minor modification and does not affect the look of the figure. Due to the width now added by this door here, the arm needs to slide closer to the body in order to fit in the transformation. You can do this by unpegging the mushroom peg here and sliding along where it gets caught by this shoulder piece here. You do need to be careful that the door passes over the section here and under this section here for transformation, as it could get stuck and get wedged between these two sections here. The door here, top section here, this bottom section here gets stuck between these two sections here. You have to make sure that this section here goes under that point there. But if you do everything perfectly, it should transform major issues.